We are in the middle of June and it will soon be time for the 2023 iPhones to come at the alleged September launch. Thus the latest price leak on the iPhone 15 might be disappointing for fans. Before this occurs, we can expect to see new leaks every other day. Today's leak concerns the iPhone 15 series expected price hike, which we have been anticipating. In a recent interview with CNBC, Wall Street analyst Dan Ives said that the average selling price of the next iPhone 15 series would rise. Ives has a proven track record in this area and has previously issued a price rise warning for the iPhone 14. Although it's nothing Apple did as a result, American consumers were exempt from the same price hikes. With the iPhone 15 range, however, that is likely to change, with several experts and insiders reporting price rises of up to $200, especially for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. While US consumers will understandably be concerned about this potential, Ives is by far the biggest name to add weight to these price hike claims. While international customers may be in for the biggest shock as they may be experiencing their second consecutive major price increase, US consumers will understandably be concerned about this potential. Given that the regular models are increasingly based on the Pro versions from the previous year, the wider price difference between Pro and non-Pro would make a lot of sense. Since most iPhones are also purchased on long-term contracts, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, for instance, will have the same design and chipset as the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, while the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will have an updated design, and next-generation CPU, and improved cameras. The wider gap may be sufficient to boost sales of ordinary models, which have stagnated in recent years, despite a $200 price rise unlikely to deter Pro purchasers. While previously no price hike was anticipated for the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, it now appears that the opposite is in store. It is also suggested that the price hike may be related to the various distinguishing features of the 15 Pro models, such as a titanium build, more RAM, faster USB 3.2 ports, and more. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.